Hey, hi. So this is the project idea, which is basically a data security using hybrid encryption and LSB is Steganography. Okay. So this is the kind of encryption decryption algorithm which we have proposed with the combining of cryptography as well as steganography. Okay, we have combined both the method and we have performed this hybrid encryption. Okay, so this is the architecture which we have followed. Okay, so what we are doing, we are taking the input data and we are dividing the data into three equal parts. Okay, and all three inputs we are using different algorithm to perform the encryption, and then we are performing the encryption for all equal three inputs. Okay, and then we are combining all the encrypted data as well as we are combining the encrypted key. Okay, and the key which is combined key of all three algorithms, that we are performing this steganography, we are hiding that key inside the image. Okay, and then it will return you the steganography images which will contain the combined key data as well as the image. Okay, and we'll also have the cipher text, not cipher text, it's encrypted text. Okay, and then accordingly we can do the decryption as well. Okay, so this is the main idea which involve the three different algorithm: ds, AES and RSA for encryption cryptography, and for uh, steganography we are using LSB algorithm. Okay, so this is the basic idea. Okay, let's go for the demo. It's basically a website. Okay, so this is the website for the same. So this is the home screen of our project. Okay, and first to access to perform encryption decryption, first you need to do a sign up. Okay, you can do a registration by entering your email, username and password, and then with the same credential you can do a login. Okay, so as of now I'll log in with my own account. Okay, uh, this is my email. So let me do a fresh registration. Okay, so yeah, this new account has created. Okay, so you can update your profile detail as well. Okay, and so let's perform the encryption. So first you have to go to encryption tab, and in encryption tab you have to provide your plain text. Okay, this is my message which okay. Okay. Suppose this is my input message which I have to perform the encryption decryption. Okay, and then you have to provide your steganography image, or any image you can provide. Okay, and which will be gets converted into a steganography image, but you have to make sure you don't have to see when you provide your previous image, it will give a updated steganography image. Okay, so you don't have to provide the steganography image. Okay, you have to provide a plain image. Okay, plain image in the sense suppose this is the image. Okay, so let me select this one, and or else you can select anything. Okay, then you have to select your image and then you have to submit it. Okay, once you submit, then if you check your backend logs. Okay, so here is the logs for the same. So here we have started. So first we are generating the key for all three algorithms, then we are dividing the data into three equal parts. So as you can see, this is the third part, this is the second part, this is the first part. Okay, and then we are encrypting the data with all three algorithms. This part will be gets encrypted with DES, this one will be AES, and this one will be RSA. Okay, similarly when then we are combining the data and keys, and then we are performing the steganography. Okay, so the steganography images, which is generated images, is stored at this location. Okay, same way you can download the steganography images which contains a key. Okay, key combined key from here as well. Okay, you just have to click download button, it will automatically download the steganography image. Okay, and then you can also copy your ciphertext. Okay, the encrypted data. Okay, which will be required for decryption. Okay, this is the combined key. Okay, you don't require to copy this, it is just for demonstration purpose. Okay, you just have to keep this data ciphertext and this image for the decryption purpose. So this is the encryption. So for decryption, you have to click again decryption button. Then you have to provide your encrypted text. Okay, and here you have to select the image, which is Stigno image. Okay, Stigno image, which is perform the which contains the key. Okay, you have to select that. Okay, so let me select this one, and then you have to submit it. Okay, you have to click on submit. Okay, once you do click on submit, then it will give the result. So as you can see, this was our plain text. Okay, and this is the algorithm for DES. DES has decrypted this text, and the data encrypted data was this one, and the key was this one. Okay, similarly for AES and RSA. Okay, so like that we have performed the encryption decryption for your control system.
This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.